Hello everybody, I'm back. The last time I put a video on Facebook, I was trying to get it all set up, so I had to go back to work after that. So today's my first day off and got everything ready to go. Got fuel in here. Got the fuel filter line put in. And I'm going to show you guys how this works. So let's go ahead and hook up the battery. Let's see. Let's try this. Got the power on, got the battery connected. All we got to do now is charge up the spark plugs. Let's see. Okay. You ready? Here we go. Let me turn it on. Here we go. There you go, guys, it's running. We'll disconnect the battery. Oil drains down here, or go down here. That's where the oil collection is going to be. This is the starter. I wonder how hot it is. Let's find out real quick here. Hook up the spring. I'll shut it off. Well, there you go, guys. Now you saw it running. And basically, what we do is just hook this up, the battery. And just turn the key, and you'll see this crank up right here. Watch this. That's just a starter to crank the engine.
Dada.
Huh.
Almost putting her lipstick on. She'll be right out.
Whatever. Yeah, we're getting ready to go to the state fair, so Mama's upstairs getting ready, getting her lipsticks on. Just go over there and relax and have a drink and eat some goodies. Might gain 5 pounds, but it is what it is. You got to enjoy life, right, people? Exactly. Anyhow, this is my starter. This is what cranks it up. It won't crank because you got to light up the glow plugs. So how it is now. Not too bad. Okay, guys, now you saw it running. Now the next one I'm going to show you is the steam engine. But I got to get that put back together. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoy this. Take care. Bye.